In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block time in Calendly. Calendly is one of the most popular tools for managing your schedule and making it easy for others to book time with you. But sometimes you need to block certain hours for personal commitments or to avoid being overbooked. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the process of blocking time in Calendly step by step, so you can take control of your availability and ensure your schedule works for you. If you're new to Calendly, you'll find a link in the description to sign up and get started. First, let's begin by navigating to the Calendly homepage. Open your browser and head over to www.calendly.com. Once you're there, log into your account if you haven't already. Next, look for the Availability tab. You'll find it in the left-hand corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on it. This is the section where you'll manage your open and busy times so you can control when others can schedule meetings with you. Once you're in the Availability tab, locate the section called Weekly Hours. You may need to scroll down slightly to see it. The Weekly Hours section is where you can set your regular working schedule. Think of it as your baseline availability, a consistent framework that aligns with the times you're ready to take meetings. Now, it's time to specify your preferred working hours. Click into the Weekly Hours section and adjust the days and times to reflect when you're available. For example, if you typically work Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., you can set those hours here. This step is crucial for ensuring your calendar matches your actual availability. Next, identify any specific time slots you need to block. These might include breaks, personal commitments, or other meetings that you don't want overlapping with new bookings. Take a moment to think about the times you need to reserve for yourself. When you've identified a time slot you'd like to block, simply click on it within the Weekly Hours section. This will open up the time details for that specific slot. From here, you can make adjustments to mark it as unavailable. To block the time, look for the small X sign on the time block. You'll see it appear once you click into a time slot. Go ahead and click the X to mark that slot as unavailable. This step removes the time from your open hours, effectively preventing others from booking during that period. Finally, verify that your changes have been saved. The great thing about Calendly is that it updates your schedule in real time, so you don't need to manually save anything. You can double-check this by refreshing your page and confirming that your blocked times are no longer showing as available. And that's it. You've successfully blocked time on your Calendly calendar. So now you know exactly how to block time in Calendly to take full control of your schedule. If you have any questions or tips you'd like to share, feel free to drop them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.